Hey, let's talk about templates in WordPress. What are they and how it works? You have to know that your WordPress site is created on some template. It can be some template, premium template, which was bought in the Template Monster or Team Forest or on some other website, and your web designer bought it and just restyle and add used for your business this theme template. It's the most popular way of creation of websites. The second way is create the custom template for your needs. So the web designer just created the new template from the bottom, and all code is his, and the template is created for your needs. And when you go to the Appearance tab and Themes, you will see all created or installed themes in your website. You can add new templates in here. For example, click Add New, and WordPress gives a library of a lot of templates you can use on your website, and this library includes the free templates you can use. It's a very easy way to create some website from these templates, but I'm not a big fan of this because these templates are created in this way, but very hard to customize something in them, and you just can replace the logo and maybe some content and nothing more. So I'm not a big fan of this. The second way, you can upload byte somewhere else, like in Team Forest template, and just click upload it here and add new template, or you can create your own. Here on this website I use my own created custom template, and this template you see that have two parts: the main template and the child template. It's the best practice to create child template for your website, because in the main template you will have the all code you can update later. For example, when the theme developer will make some changes in the this main template, it will not have the impact on changes of your website. So when your web designer create website, the best practice is to create the child theme, and inside this child theme he just place all changes for this template, for the main template you want to change. For example, change some styles, change some files with some part of your website. In this way, when this will be updated, all changes he coded not will be destroyed. When you don't use child theme and you will update your theme and you will have some changes in your template, you will lose them, and your website will look not the same after the update than before. So it's good practice. What I recommend to use custom created templates, because you have to know that all templates from, for example, Team Forest are prepared in this way that they are multi-purpose, and you can use this template and create from this blog, corporate site, shop, or some portal and everything. And these templates have a lot of code and scripts which have to be load when your website is loading, and it have a big impact on your site speed. Later you will know that the Google changed the Google Core Web Vitals, and the good scores of speed your website is the most important for your position in Google. So when you use this template, it's very used to create website very quick and very good, very good looking website. But you have to have in your back back of mind that not always the result of later effects in the Google will be as you wish. So when you create template, or your designer create template from the bottom, is the better way, because you have control on each part of your template. You don't use extra scripts, extra code, you just use this code you need for this website, and the site is prepared well, and weight is very small, and this is the best way, I think. What you can make with this template, for example, it depends of the template how it's created. Some templates have the admin panel to customize them. Mostly the templates from Team Forest have the panel to edit everything, like colors, fonts, and other places on the templates. And it's good and very easy to make changes around the template and change some things, but it also have impact on your site speed. In the second way, when you create your own template, you can add some extra or the most important things to customize, and when you go to the customize tab, you will see here some options to change in this template. For example, inside identity we can change the title and tagline of this template, we can change the logo, and favicon icon we just place it in here. So these parts we can change. We can change color scheme, and in this part we have coded some styles. For example, for button background you can change the color, and on the live you will see the changes of this color in your template. For example, you can select this different, and in this way you can change the global styles for your website. For example, in the footer we have prepared footer top background, where we can change the background in here to have some different color, for example. And it's a good prepared template and very easy to change the most important things on your website in your style in very easy way. And another customization we can make here is select the typography of the body, so all the fonts which are in the body text, like a normal text. For example, we can change it to quicksand. We have prepared here all Google fonts, or maybe play for display, and you see that the font is changed, and the typography, for example, for headings we can also change, and you will see that the body is changed to some serif font, and all headings are serif font in Ubuntu font code. Good. When we back, you can customize also some use of CDN for assets, or you can use some settings for your menu, or in this place also you can edit widgets areas. So it's very easy on this way to update your website, and it's just the basic settings for your template you need to edit. You have to know that all templates will have the different settings, different way of construction of edit these settings, and is the very individual situation for your website. Thanks.